This workshop is called Characters, and it's linked to the Hammersmith Fly Under project. What they're doing is they're making puppets that might be characters of the future living in the area, the Hammersmithonians of the future, shall we say. Right, mix it up. The materials that they're using is papier mché, it's PVA and newspaper. It's very much working with your hands and paying attention to detail. They don't spend enough time in school doing art projects and design projects, so this really helps them express themselves, making something with other children. They get very loud, they get very sticky, but it's also a lot of fun.
That's the way, I like it,
So yeah.
So my character is a carnival person, and he's coming to London to make his fortune.
I've just moved into Hammersmith from Ireland in Dublin.
We were really creative. We did papier mâché. We even did hands.
Her hair is very crazy. I love ice creams. It will last forever and ever.
He's going to help inspect schools.
This is what I'm going to look in the future.
What's your name? What's your name?